So how can we avoid this situation happening altogether? Firstly, good situational awareness. Having a good understanding of your environment and a good understanding of who is around you at all times. Secondly, body mechanics. Using your body, your shoulders or your wrists to deflect the choke as it's coming in. Or finally, striking, using punches and kicks against the attacker to move away and create distance.
So here we are. My preemption, my awareness failed. I didn't manage to deflect. I didn't manage to strike. I didn't manage. And on top of everything, he's gonna push me, or he's gonna kick me, or he's gonna punch me against the wall. And this, against the wall, he's gonna hurt my back. I can, hit my head against the wall, and that's gonna knock me out. So I need to avoid that as well, before the choke is coming on top of everything. So when a stronger person comes, he's like, So what I need to do is to absorb against the wall as well, which is shrinking, and if I can, use my heels, to try to absorb the hit against the wall. So he punch in here, otherwise I'm gonna really damage my back, or I'm gonna go with the head and I'm gonna get knocked out. And then after that, all of a sudden, his choke is coming. So guys, in this situation, there are a few things you can do. But in my case, I try to do the easiest ones, okay, which are mainly 3, okay? Because depending the weight of your opponent, the strength of your opponent, your weight, your strength, your abilities, your age, the wall, if he's in longer range, he's in shorter range, putting his body weight on me, so the situation could be different, okay? So I try to do the same 2-3 things. Okay, and I have to do them very fast because a stronger person, it takes 2-3 seconds to really choke me. He's cutting my air and he's cutting my blood going to my brain, and in a few seconds I'm completely passing out. Okay, so I really need to act fast. I need to break the choke. What's the problem? If he's stronger than me and he's putting his body weight against the wall, I cannot, he's stronger than me. And again, in 2-3 seconds, I'm gonna pass out, okay? So I'm going to need to create a distraction through pain. I'm going to need to attack the softest, weakest parts of the body, which in this case are the groin or the eyes, okay? At the same time that I try to break the choke. So if Ryan is tensing, what I'm trying to do is exactly that. You hear the noise? He put his body weight, and with this hand I'm releasing, and at the same time that I'm hitting. Or with one hand in the eye, pain and releasing. So I have to do it at the same time. So hit the groin, pam, at the same time I release the hand, okay? Or I choke, pam, and I release. In the short range one, there is another thing that you can do, which is So once we have break the priority, which is the choke, we avoid the 2 seconds, knocked out, pass away, and then it's over. Once we are in this position, we are still more or less 50-50. Okay, he can still headbutt me, he can still kick me. Okay, so I have to be very fast. And I'm gonna keep on hitting him, okay? I really need to keep going. I have to be very fast, and I really need to fight back, kicks, punches, whatever. When I release, I would recommend you to go there. One of the best instructors I ever trained with, he said to me, shake his head, shake his head, because that's a concussion. So no matter how strong the person is, pam, 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 even if he's stronger than you, and then get out.
So let's put this technique to the test, see how it works against a much stronger and younger opponent. Guys, this is Lee. Lee's 95 kilograms, and we're going to show you the effect of the technique against a much stronger and heavier opponent. Okay, go. The problem, however, is that everything we've just told you is pointless. If you don't know how to fight dirty against your opponent, then even if you manage to escape from the choke, your attacker is still going to have the upper hand over you. And that's why you should check out this video here. And make sure you like and subscribe for more self-defense content. Thanks, guys.
Gracias, amigos.